Do you feel conflicted about making money with your art, with your healing, with your services? Or are you under some sort of strong belief that there's no money in the arts, that choosing a creative path is the same as choosing to have financial problems? Is there a part of you that finds it difficult to value your creative work and truly understand what and how to charge or fund or sponsor your creative work? Then you would want to attend my next free virtual workshop on the 25th of May at 4 p.m. British Summer Time. 3 mindset tools to create abundance in your creative career. During this 60-minute training, you'll discover the most effective strategies to overcome your old money stories, your mindset blocks around money, and unleash your creativity so that you can lead your next project with a creative mindset and also a profitable mindset. Join me, Annabelle Dyer, transformational coach, to discover how to shift your inner dialogue, bring your projects forward, find your flow, and make great impact. Trust me when I say you can do this. We need more business spirit in the arts and more creative souls in the business world. I'll see you there.